This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, slide-out, external shower, skylight, microwave, spare tire kit, water heater, stove-top burner, refrigerator, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500RL is 5,857 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.